How to track conversions with HubSpot. As a marketer, understanding how your website visitors are interacting with your content is crucial to optimizing your marketing strategy. One key metric to focus on is conversion tracking, and today we're going to explore how to do just that using HubSpot. HubSpot is a powerful marketing, sales, and customer service platform that offers advanced tools for tracking conversions. With HubSpot, you can set up custom tracking codes to monitor website interactions, such as form submissions, email opens, and social media shares. To get started with conversion tracking in HubSpot, first, you need to create a new property in your HubSpot account. This property will serve as a unique identifier for each conversion. You can then add this property to your website's tracking codes, such as Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel. Once you've set up your tracking codes, you can start monitoring your conversions in real time. HubSpot's dashboard provides a clear view of your conversion rates, allowing you to identify areas of improvement and make data-driven decisions. In addition to tracking website conversions, HubSpot also offers advanced tools for tracking conversions in other channels, such as email and social media. By using these tools, you can gain a more comprehensive understanding of your customers' behavior and optimize your marketing strategy accordingly. By implementing conversion tracking with HubSpot, you can unlock valuable insights into your customers' behavior and make data-driven decisions to drive growth and revenue. So, if you're looking to take your marketing to the next level, be sure to check out HubSpot's conversion tracking tools and start optimizing your marketing strategy today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing tips and tricks.